When they advertised a course of football coaching in Victoria, Australia, they expected about 20 kids to turn up. Instead, they got enough material for no less than 5 junior teams. 160 youngsters rolled up on the first day, from teenagers to toddlers. For instance, Mr. Grant Cope, who is only 3. 3 must be the limit to start learning football, but swimming can be contemplated from the carry-cot. Andrea Timmins is just 6 months, but she had her first lesson when she was only 14 days old. Andrea's mum is a professional coach, and she believes that you can start babies even younger, 8 days after birth, in fact. But she says it's no job for amateurs. Say